The next topic is multimedia on internet. As we all know, multimedia refers to text, image, sound, animation, video, etc. Many applications have been developed with the integration of internet and multimedia. Few examples are Google Maps and other social media, etc. A comprehensive study on use of internet and multimedia that was done in USA says that an estimated 55 million consumers use internet services each month, and the number of consumers increases day by day. Image is the most widely used multimedia resource on internet. Social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. also enables multimedia contents to be exchanged online. The next one is applications of multimedia. Multimedia is the most fast growing area in the field of information technology, IT field. Multimedia is an application that has collection of multiple media sources like text, images, sound, animation and video on a single platform, as we have learned already. Predominantly, two areas use multimedia to the fullest. One is entertainment and the other one is education. Now let us see application of multimedia in education. Multimedia plays a vital role in education as it offers excellent alternative method to traditional teaching. So by allowing students to explore and learn various concepts through animated movies, animations. So teachers nowadays use animated videos to explain children complicated topics so that they can understand it easily. So when they see the animated video, because images are more attractive than text, they'll be able to even understand it easily. So multimedia based teaching and learning system that was named as Modulo at GMU in Germany. GMU is Gerhard Machter University, that is in Germany. So they have developed a learning system named Modulo. Even in India, India has launched a education satellite for serving the educational sector of the country. So it emulates virtual classrooms in an effective manner. So it aims to provide students with flexible and learning environment based on their educational background. So many educators accept multimedia as it introduces new ways of thinking in a classroom. Even students, teachers and parents enjoy this multimedia mode of learning and multimedia learning materials. And as we are also learning it now using a PPT. The next one is application of multimedia and entertainment. You are well aware that the entertainment industry is gaining popular due to multimedia. So the remarkable advancement in the entertainment industry is only due to multimedia. This technology is needed in all modes of entertainment like radio, TV or online gamings, even video on demand, movies on demand. So videos on demand and movies on demand is nothing but service that provides you movies to your television sets at home. So you can pay for it, you can pay for the particular thing and get the particular video or movie as they advertise at the beginning when you switch on your TV. So movies are generally stored in a central server and they are transmitted. Once you pay for it, you will be able to watch the movie. So this movies on demand are becoming popular nowadays. So you need a set-top box connection and a TV in your system to enable this. The next one is the application of multimedia in business systems. Business applications for multimedia include presentations that are done on business meetings, training for employees, internet protocols, rules, and so on. The marketing and advertising agencies are using animation techniques for sales promotion. You can see many animated ads used for promoting the sales of particular companies. Even we see ads when we use internet, when we are online. Multimedia is used very commonly for building employee ID. High resolution projectors are also common for multimedia presentations when there is a high profile meeting in a company. So cell phones and PDAs like tab etc. with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections make multimedia communications for business more efficiently. The next application of multimedia is in medical services. Medical services have grown drastically with the development of multimedia. Meanwhile, medical students practice surgery methods via simulation. Simulation is nothing but something that you show as real, but it is not actually real. We have already learnt this simulation, virtual reality in 11th standard. So they don't operate on real persons, real living person. Instead, all these things are put together in a software, and they use the software and learn all the internal parts and get used to it. So it is mainly used to train medical students. Even tiny digital cameras are inserted in human body nowadays for before surgery or during surgery to enable it to enable the doctors to do it effectively. So medical practitioners were able to see the inner part without dissecting it. The next application of multimedia is in public places. Multimedia is available in many public places like trade shows, in malls, libraries, railway stations, museums, airports, banks, hotels, and exhibitions in the form of kiosks. What is a kiosk? It is nothing but a standing machine that has a touch screen so that you can gather information from it easily. So bank use kiosks in the form of ATM machines. ATM machines are best example for kiosks. We will learn about kiosks later. Next application of multimedia is multimedia conferencing. Multimedia conferencing or video conferencing is a system that performs face-to-face interactions among different users. Even they are not sitting in a single room, they can be connected from anywhere. This is very popular nowadays, not only in companies, but even people who are living abroad are able to contact their family via multimedia conferencing or video conferencing. The picture gives you an example for multimedia conferencing where many people are interacting with each other and few people are from different locations. So far we have learnt 6 applications of multimedia in education, entertainment, business systems, medical services, public places, and multimedia conferencing. Now we'll move on to libraries, information centers, and archives. Multimedia technology is adopted by libraries in various functions like multimedia kiosks, user orientation programs, etc. The primary function of a library is to organize, collect, preserve, disseminate. Disseminate means spread information to users. So multimedia technology is nowadays adopted by libraries even in various functions like multimedia kiosks, user orientation programs, etc. So what is a multimedia kiosk? Here you can see a picture of an ATM machine. Similarly, any freestanding machine that gives you information, once you touch it, you can just move on to browse more information. So kiosk is a freestanding furnished equipped multimedia computer that allows you to retrieve information. Retrieve means collect information via a touch screen. So it is usually located near the entrance of a library to display some announcement, reading list, comments, or suggestions. So it helps you to inform about the library. The next one is webcasting on video conferencing. We have already learned this just few minutes before. We'll read it again. The live telecast of real-time programs through internet is called webcasting. Video conferencing is the process of conducting conference, a meeting between 2 or more participants at different sites by using networks, computer networks, to transmit audio and video data. So webcasting is, we all do Facebook Live, and that is called webcasting. The live telecast of real-time programs that we do through internet is called webcasting. Now we have learned 2 topics. One is webcasting and the other one is video conferencing, which you are just familiar earlier. The next one is user orientation programs. The role of multimedia plays a vital role in training the librarians in schools, colleges, and universities due to its interactivity. Hence, it is used in depth subject training to their faculties. So many educational institutions are training their staff using different user orientation programs that involves multimedia, that has multimedia. Through multimedia like PPTs, animated videos, etc., to enhance their knowledge. The next topic is in-house production of multimedia resources and e-publishing. In-house production refers to creating something inside its own area. So many libraries produce multimedia resources in-house. Nowadays, as you see in the picture, it is a library that is totally computerized. So you can access where the book is, or what type of books and what categories are there, where you can find it. All information are fed in the computer and it is available. So you can go and search for it using the systems. So these are our in-house production of multimedia resources. And e-publishing is nothing but the online version of all the books that you want to read. So introduction to CDs, DVDs, and their writers have solved few problems of libraries in storing and archiving the materials, as you can save much more data in a system than physically, that is in the form of books. So many libraries are nowadays computerized and it lets you to access the books easily. You can even download the books, e-published books, like in the form of PDF, etc. Digital multimedia libraries are nowadays more common. It doesn't not include only digital books. It also include a library of images, audios. Like you can have a you can, I hope you would have seen the library, digital library that has all the musics, songs, audio, video, etc., like movie songs or anything else. So digital multimedia libraries are nowadays more common. Informations are available in digital formats that include not only digital books, images, graphics, and digitized audio visual clips, etc. Initially, digital library projects were only based on textual data. Only books were e-published and were put in digital multimedia libraries. Nowadays, audio and video recordings are also integrated under the collection of digital library. Even in the phone, we have a music album and we add the music that we prefer or that we like into it, and we play it as a playlist. With this, we have come to the end of the lesson. Each topic must be learnt with great care.